Sewage Treatment Plant of RVS Technical Campus, Coimbatore. When a water becomes a wastewater means when the biological oxygen demand, that is BOD and COD level increases in any water, that water will be considered as a wastewater. And any treatment plant, it has to treat that water to reduce the BOD and COD level to an permissible limit, then it can be discharged for irrigation system for plants. Now, the place we are standing is the primary tank. Actually, water treatment, wastewater treatment comprises of 4 stages. One is preliminary treatment, in which all the solid materials which comes along with the wastewater will be removed. It is done using some grids, and after that the removal of solid materials, the liquid, that is wastewater alone, will be fed to the preliminary tank, primary tank, which we are seeing here. In this primary treatment, the water is allowed to stagnate, and during that time, due to sedimentational force, all the total solids present in this wastewater will be settled down, and the clarified water alone will be pumped to the secondary treatment. Okay, I am standing is the secondary wastewater treatment plant. It's a biological wastewater treatment. It is an eco-friendly method of wastewater treatment. Here we are using the reed grass for wastewater treatment. This grass grows enormously in the marshlands. It has a special kind of characters. These grass can absorb the heavy metals and all other chemical by coagulating the chemicals and heavy metals, and it grows effectively, so that the impurities in the wastewater can be reduced. This reed bed consists of 4 different layers above which these grasses are grown. So the layer of the bed is, the above 15 centimeter will be the red soil. Next to that we are having a layer of vermiculite. Next to that we are having a layer of sand, and next to that the last layer will be the gravels. The wastewater which is pumped from the primary treatment goes into this reed bed. Here these plants absorb the heavy metals and some of the chemicals, and most of the other impurities will be filtered through these 4 layers. After the 4 filtration, the wastewater which comes out of will be an reduced BOD wastewater, so which can be effectively used for irrigation purpose. So here we are following that. This is the 4th stage of sewage treatment plant. So after preliminary treatment, primary treatment, and biological treatment, which is known as secondary treatment, the purified, that is BOD reduced wastewater are collected in this tertiary treatment. Here the water are oxygenated, and these clarified water are pumped for the irrigation purpose. For your information, the BOD level is reduced from the initial stage to the final stage by 95%. That is, the 95% of the BOD, biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand, that is the impurities, are reduced through this biological treatment plant. And this water discharging unit, after the 4 stages of sewage water treatment, the treated waters are pumped into the field for irrigation purpose. So nearly 50% of the irrigation water is supplemented by these wastewater, that is treated wastewater in our RVS Technical Campus, Coimbatore. And it is really rich in organic nutrients which support the vigorous growth of the